hot old Lakeland sun makes beg for your next breath. So you best be over on the creek bank, laid in the shade. Chewing on a hickory twig. Pass the bottle, I'll have me a swig. Ain't got a lot, but I think I got it made. I'm just laid up here in a country state of mind. Catching these fish like they're going out of style, sipping on BK's moonshine. If the sun don't come up tomorrow, people, I'll have a good time. Just laid up here in a country state of mind. I was listening to that song the morning that I wrote this song. Well, I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. You're working like a dog all day, working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that would kick the butt. I was sitting on a pile like a warring buck. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness. It can buy me a car. It can buy me a truck. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down to silver bullets. And I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Maybe so. But it can buy me a car. I'll be a redneck, white trash, and blue collar. Well, I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't fit a camel through the eye of the needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to pull. You can buy me any 110 ice down with silver bullets. Oh, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Maybe so. What you got? Money can buy me a boat. Float down on the water with a beer right here. Look how all I know is sitting on $100 million. Yeah, they'll buy me a brand new rod and reel. They can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to pull. You can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with silver bullets. Well, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Maybe so. And Lakeland said, money can buy me a boat. Okay. Who wants to see a 135-pound skinny white dude play all this stuff at one time? I said, who wants to see it? Yes or no? Janson, and she's really looking good. I had to go and see her. I called her on the phone, went over to her house, and this was how it went on. Her mama was in the kitchen, chopping pie. Daddy was in the front porch cooking chicken up to fry. I flew down to Lakeland to party with you all. If you're having a good time, baby, throw your hands up in this hall. We were swinging, swinging, we were swinging. Johnny Cash? Anybody? You see, I'm a member of the Grand Ole Opry, 215th member to be exact. When I was inducted, I was the youngest since Hank Williams. Ladies and gentlemen, I said, who likes Johnny Cash, baby?